Hey, I'm Noel Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the T-Rex Quint machine. Let's go! The T-Rex Quint machine gives you the possibility to double your sound, though not just by octaves but also by a perfect quint. It gives you control over your dry signals volume with the mix knob. You can control the volume of the two additional octaves with their respective +1 and -1 octave knobs. And of course, the main selling point of this pedal is its control over an additional quint's volume with the +1/5 knob. Now let's see what cool sounds we can get out of this pedal. Now, if you still have any more questions on the T-Rex Quint machine, feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. Now, if you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time, guys, keep rocking!